Good morning, traders. This is your Aussie South African Top 40 daily review. So, just starting off on the weekly, I'm just trying to find a level that we are kind of going to respect. And at this stage, this weekly swing low here is a level that we're flirting with right now. Now, you're going to sort of, I would say, this swing high, because you can see it was testing the pod, is another level as well. And then we have one further up there, which is the swing high here, or swing low here. So looking at the weekly, this is not looking very healthy. It's looking pretty tired, and you would expect some kind of a pullback. So a little bit cautious on any longs, I think, is my take at the moment. Still looking for longs, but looking for the pullback before you start committing to any longs. And then again, even committing to the long is not a multi-day or multi-week environment. It's a couple of hours at the moment. Okay, so looking at the daily, you can see we sort of been left with a bit of a hanging man on the daily. Okay, it is top of a range, and I think, let me just draw the range in here on the 4 hour. Okay, so it depends how you draw it. So if I take it from the bottom here, we have a bit of a wedge, but if we put it there, we have pretty much a channel. Okay, we are top of channel. It's not something that I'd be looking at trading long from that position there. Again, I want some kind of a pullback. Now, we have had a 4-hour close above that level. So, my gut would tell me that level is kind of has broken, and we start looking for the next level. But obviously, I don't want to be long right at the top of this channel. I want to see some kind of a pullback. We've got some diversions brewing here. You can see we had diversions brewing there. We had the first pullback in the morning, and then we rallied. And the pullback didn't quite get to a level. And I mean, here's my swing high. That's my inside tail. And you can see we sort of got there, and then probably were 1 or 2 points short, and then rallied. Okay, so today I'm looking for more of the same. So let's just get rid of the noise. Let's start with the closing range from the previous day. And as I suggested yesterday, I was looking for longs. Even if we did break below the closing range, I'll be looking for a long off one of these levels here. And that's exactly what happened. We didn't get below the range. We broke the range to the upside, but really only got the 161.8 extension, didn't get the range target. Range target was up there. Okay, so today I'm kind of expecting some more of the same. Okay, so at this stage, that is our closing range at the moment. So let's just get our levels in. Top, that's our bottom. So bottom of range is 53550. Top of range is 53780. Okay, so a break to the downside, 53550. Then you've got this area of congestion as something that you need to pay attention to, or alternatively, you have a range target which pretty much hits the swing low again, 53308. Okay, looking at the oscillator, you would be expecting some kind of a pullback. There is a bit of a gap here as well. So, longer term, we're looking for longs, but not looking for longs up at this area. I'd rather be looking for longs down the bottom here. Okay, so that's kind of my view at this moment. If we do break above 53780, then you've definitely got 54025 as a target. Okay, and last things to pay attention to will be that is potentially our measured move, which is just above that range break to the upside as well. Okay, so looking for longs. We're just going to drill down to see if we have something else here. Looking for longs, I'd expect this gap to close this morning, and I also expect it to have some kind of a pullback and build a base somewhere before we can get in. Before we leave, if we look at the rand dollar, 14.31, so the rand is pretty weak at the moment. And then Dow was 0.5% up yesterday. Nasdaq futures is flat right now, and it was up 1% yesterday. And we have 10 cents sitting at 0.5% down, so kind of a mixed bag. So I would expect some kind of a pullback and then another opportunity to get long. So I would anticipate that this it's not a bull run, but the bulls will take control again today after some sort of a consolidation. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm looking for. Looking for this gap to close, looking for some kind of a pullback, and I suppose just try and get some logic into it, which would be okay. So these previous swing highs on the 30 minutes are definitely something to pay attention to. They're also 1 hour fractals, so that's definitely something that I would pay attention to. Is pull back, close this gap, see if we can find some support here, alternatively find here, which will be just on the 61.8. And then we have another level down here. See all these tails. So the three levels that I'm looking for will be 53,570, 53,485, and 53,430. Those are levels that I'd be looking to start getting in long again. Okay, so anyway guys, that's my view on this at the moment. Still long, but a very wary long. Just keep those stops really tight, because this could be forming some sort of a flag on the higher time frames. But anyway, the trend is up and you should be looking for longs. Well, I hope that helps, and I'll catch you later. Cheers for now.